Hey there and welcome back to Umbraco TV. In the next couple of minutes, we'll cover the purpose of member groups and how we can create them in the back office of our Umbraco installation. My name is Gabriel and I'll be your Umbraco Unicorn guide today. Let's get started. Member groups define roles for our members that can be part of one or multiple groups. They're normally used to set up role-based protection. For example, blocking a member to see certain pages on our website. Creating a member group is pretty straightforward. We click the three dots next to the member group and then we have the option to create a new one. Let's give it a name of Premium and now save it. By default, this is the only aspect of the member group that you can change, the name of it. Now that we have a new group, let's select one of our members and add it. So I'll just open the members folder in here, the members tree, and then let's pick up member in here and select David. And then if you just scroll a little bit down, we have the option here, member group. We click add, and now we can select the member group that we have created a couple of seconds ago. Select this one, submit, and save it. Brilliant. Now that we know how to add a new member group, in the next video, we'll set up a role-based protection using our member groups. So see you soon.